Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we unravel the confusing world of finance. And today we have something interesting. A company called Aptera Motors Corp is making some moves, and we are going to decode their latest report to see what it really means for you. Before we dive in, if you love getting straight to the point insights from company filings, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And don't forget to join our Discord community, link down below for more discussions. So Aptera Motors Corp has put out a report, and this one is all about a big announcement regarding their stock. Essentially, they are saying they got the green light to have their Class B common stock listed on a big stock market called the Nasdaq Capital Market. Think of it like getting permission to set up shop on a more prominent street. This is happening because they are what the report calls an emerging growth company. What that means is they are a newer company and have some special rules that can make it a bit easier for them as they grow. It is like being a new business and getting some tax breaks. Now, the company has different types of stock, and the one they are talking about here is their Class B common stock. This is the kind of stock that basically represents ownership in the company. They are saying it is expected to start trading on the 16th of October under the ticker symbol. SEV ticker symbols are like the shorthand name for a stock on the stock market. So instead of saying the full company name, every time people will just say SEV. This filing is mainly a disclosure that they received approval for this listing. It is not a super deep dive into their finances today, but it signals a significant step for the company. It means they are ready to be more accessible to a wider range of investors, and it is a sign of progress. It is like a small business finally getting accepted into a bigger marketplace, making it easier for people to buy their products, or in this case, their stocks. The Nasdaq Capital Market is a segment of the Nasdaq Stock Exchange that lists smaller companies. Getting listed there is a positive sign because it shows regulatory bodies believe the company is stable enough and has enough public interest to be traded openly. For investors, this means more transparency and potentially more liquidity, meaning it will be easier to buy and sell shares. It is a big step from not being on a major exchange to being on one that many people recognize. The company is also pointing to a press release they issued on this date as part of this filing. This is where they would flesh out all the details publicly. Essentially today we are just getting the official notification that this important news is out there and confirmed. Now, looking at the bigger picture, this is a positive development for Aptera Motors. For a relatively new company aiming to disrupt the automotive industry, especially with electric vehicles gaining traction, this kind of milestone is crucial. It builds credibility and opens up opportunities for future funding or strategic partnerships. It is not about the profit and loss statement today, but about the pathway to growth and market presence. In terms of assessment, Aptera Motors is clearly positioning itself for broader market participation. The strength here is their ability to secure listing approval on a recognized exchange, which speaks to their compliance and operational readiness. A weakness, however, for any company in this space is always market competition and the long road to profitability and mass production. The opportunity is clear. They can now attract more investors and gain more visibility. However, the risk is that increased scrutiny that comes with being a publicly traded company on a major exchange. So in conclusion, this filing is a positive administrative step for Aptera Motors, indicating their readiness for a larger stage. It is a signal of growth and ambition. Alright, that is our quick decode of Aptera Motors Corp's latest report. What do you think about this stock listing and what it means for the company? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. And once again, don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.